In this video, we are going to see how to fix Steam disk write error. First step, right click Steam, click Properties, copy the address in the target section. Click OK, open Run, paste the address here. After pasting, you need to type the following text, space/repair. Type it and click OK. Steam will repair and automatically open. Wait for some time to repair. Once the repair complete, after you need to click the Steam in the left top corner. Click it and click check for Steam client update. Is up to date. Move on with next step. Click one more time. Click settings. Click storage settings. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space, means sometimes the error will occur. Click the three dot icon. Click repair library. Wait for some time to repair the library. Close it. Then move on with next step. Click download. The download region is near to your region or else your region. Make sure it. Scroll down and search for clear download cache. Click clear cache and click confirm. Once you confirm, after it will come outside of the Steam. Then again you need to log in. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time. Successfully scanned. No error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Right click Steam. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Enable it and click apply and OK. After completing, you need to restart your device. After restart, the last and final step, open run and type the following text, services.msc. Type it and click OK. Scroll down. Search for Steam client service. Click it. Right click. Click properties. It should be in running mode. The startup type should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Check it and restart your device.